Hello, Ryan Borden here, aka Loopline. In this video, we're going to cover how to use the project file that is in the members area as a bonus and how to put it in website contact. So website contact comes like this blank. You want to close it down before you do anything. So close it down, and then you're going to download the file, the template project, from the members area. And I'm sure you can figure that out. Just hit the download button, save it somewhere on your hard drive where you know where it is. Then we're going to go here and extract it. It's a zip file. So sometimes there's an extract button up here depending on your version of Windows. You can use your favorite unzipping program. I'm just going to right click and go to extract all and click extract, and it pops it open in a brand new folder, which we can see the link to right there. Now we have the project file. Now we need to go to the location where we're going to put this. Now I just open up a new Windows Explorer window, which you can do so by mouse clicking on your Windows Explorer icon if you want, or whatever. And I'm going to go up here to the top, not in the search bar, in the other bar where you have your location, whether that's quick access or whatever. And I'm going to type %app data %. So just %appdata %, hit enter. That's going to take us to this location. You can also click on it. It's C users and then whatever your username is, and then app data, and then roaming. And then we're going to go to our GSA here, which is just right here, GSA website contact. Don't mess with any of the files in here except for the specific ones that we're showing you, and obviously just copy them. So under projects here, that's where all your projects themselves are stored. So we're going to go in here. There's nothing here yet other than a default file. I'm going to go back to my template file. I'm going to copy it. You can right click and copy, you can drag and copy, whatever, and I'm going to paste it here. And so now I have a template project. Now again, this is just a project file, which we're going to go through in a second, has the default settings. So let's just get out of this, all of this, and go back to website contact and launch it. And once it loads up, we'll see that it's going to automatically pick up that template project file that we put in there. And there it is. So if we click on it, we can see quickly the scraping. I have this set not to scrape because you're using the lists in the members area, so you don't need to be scraping. And if you scrape, it's going to actually slow the process way down. And slow your success down and slow everything down. So that's the point of the purchase list, is not having to scrape. So that's how it's set up. Then I do have it set to collect social data. That collects a bunch of data and jams it down here. You can use it or you can not. It's up to you, but it's there. It doesn't really take any longer. Filtering, you can see all the filtering is set up. This is just to optimize things to make sure you're not trying to post to like reviews and testimonials and stuff like that on accident. And then checking, this is just really defaulted to this is for scanning forms. You're not going to be doing that either. Submission content, this is all defaulted to how website contact comes. So there's a different bonus in the members area where I'll cover like kind of go over this and kind of help you. You're obviously going to have to come up with a name you want to submit to it and other things, but so this isn't changed. The CAPTCHA, I do have it set by default to GSA Capture Breaker. If you have Capture Breaker installed, that's great. It will use it automatically as long as it's there and available and running. If you don't have it installed, it'll just skip it. So GSA Capture Breaker is optional. It's obviously going to increase your success, but that's beyond the scope of this video. And then Scheduler is, there's nothing here. It's all defaulted, and notes. Obviously, you can leave yourself notes. The scheduler you could use, but that's beyond the scope of this, and there's no, that's just customizable for you. So it doesn't come in the template project. Mostly what's done here in the template project is CAPTCHAs. Just some settings here on the checking page, the filtering page, and scraping is turned off. And so that is how you use the template file, or at least how you install it, and an explanation of it.